Ladies and gentlemen, OJP in substance that they want to impoverish them, but not 100%, and give them the rehabilitation. But OJ never explained to us the likelihood of the deterrent effect of the regulation, ladies and gentlemen. Because if we talk about the rehabilitation for the goal of the government to realize their fault, we think it's happened in the Crossroads School right now, right? When they are in the jail, ladies and gentlemen, and that's failed, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because they still do the corruption again and again, ladies and gentlemen. And the opposition, opposition only play in CGS, but they never explain to us clear why it can be effective in the DARSAT, ladies and gentlemen. And they said that the purpose of CGS must be proportional, but they never explain to us why the CGS purpose, and never explain to us why in the Crossroads School right now the punishment is enough to give them the deterrent effect, ladies and gentlemen. Because we think as a CGS, the main purpose to give the deterrent effect to the corruptor and give the sign to the other people that, oh, this is the consequence that you should accept if you do the corruption, and etc., ladies and gentlemen. So in this debate, there are two classes in this debate. For the first, do the impoverish corruption it can be justified or not, and the second classes is do this punishment can be effective in the our side or not, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about the first class, ladies and gentlemen. Do the impoverish corruption it can be justified or not, ladies and gentlemen? Opposing opposition only said that it can be justified because you ruin his family future, especially their children, because they can get good education, they can eat well, and etc., ladies and gentlemen. But we said no, ladies and gentlemen. There are two responses for this debate, for this response, ladies and gentlemen. For the first, let's talk about why corruption is the big problem and suitable with the principle of law, ladies and gentlemen. If we talk about the principle of law, for the first, there is evil intention, and it's give the more impact for other people, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about the evil intention, ladies and gentlemen. They are evil because they take a lot of money, because they always think the state money is safe, ladies and gentlemen. And if we take the example like randomly situation that the state is crisis, right, of money, and it's not the ideal situation, they still stole the money from the state, ladies and gentlemen, such as social minister. So in this case, you don't just do things to weak people, but not only partially, but you do it is in a massive way, ladies and gentlemen. And when you do the corruption, you handle all the needs that the society needs, such as building the school, building the bridge, and etc. But you disadvantage more to the people, ladies and gentlemen. You make people unable to eat, can open jobs because there is not enough money to open the jobs, and it doesn't happen to one or two people but you do this for everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Especially with the addition of the pandemic, the number of the difficult increased 2 to 3 times, ladies and gentlemen. So why is justified in the our side, ladies and gentlemen? We know that the punishment in the Crossroads School is not enough, like my first speaker said, and I have explained to you why the corruption is different crime for the other crimes, such as the stole and etc., ladies and gentlemen. That's why we should give them double punishment, like impoverish, until their family, because we have explained to you that this is the one of the way to give them the deterrent effect, ladies and gentlemen. And about their family, we think it's okay, ladies and gentlemen, if they get the disadvantage because of that, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because it's not worth it. They done to all poor people, ladies and gentlemen. In the opposition side, the possibility of them to do the more corruption is more happen in the our side, because only the individual get the punishment, ladies and gentlemen. And let's talk about the second class, ladies and gentlemen. Why this is effective in their side, in our side, ladies and gentlemen. Opening opposition only said that the status quo has progressive, but that never explained to us the likelihood of this case can solve the problem, ladies and gentlemen. And CG will take this explanation that the impoverish is more effective in the our side, ladies and gentlemen. My members have said to you that the punishment is only stay in jail, and after they came out of the jail, they still enjoy their riches, or maybe if they still in the jail, their family can still enjoy the riches, such as they can buy the luxury brand, they can vacation to abroad, and etc., ladies and gentlemen. So the narration is exists in the Crossroads School right now. It's about the corruptor. Oh, I'm in jail, but at least my family is safe, ladies and gentlemen. And that's why it's not make the different impact, ladies and gentlemen. And we don't want to do that, ladies and gentlemen. Why is more effective in the our side, ladies and gentlemen? My member have said to you that money is the fundamental thing that everyone wants, right? This is the proof. It is the proven that the corruption do that to be more rich, ladies and gentlemen. That's why when we do this, it will lose their treasure even before they do that, ladies and gentlemen. In the end, for the people have to do that. In the end of the day, they will lose everything, such as money. They lost their job and etc. Ladies and gentlemen. Even their family should start from the zero, ladies and gentlemen, to get the money again, ladies and gentlemen. So they will get the deterrent effect not only for the individual but their family that we know is the important to him, ladies and gentlemen. And we think the family deserve to get the punishment, ladies and gentlemen. Why? They do the corruption because of demanding for them for the family, ladies and gentlemen. For example, your wife wants the luxury brand, but because your salary is not enough to buy the thing, you should do corruption to fulfill what your wife needs, ladies and gentlemen. Even if yes, there is not demanding, they but they already know that that is not good, such as his wife know that the husband get instant money, for example. Actually, as a family, they should ask where the money get, ladies and gentlemen. But it's not, ladies and gentlemen. They still enjoy the money and trust what the husband said to them, ladies and gentlemen. So it's okay. So it's true. The family do the contribution in this case, even if it's not indirectly, but it's okay to get the punishment of that, ladies and gentlemen. Furthermore, that be for the children not be able to continue their school because of this punishment. We said no, ladies and gentlemen. Why? For the first education still get the school because there are so many free school from the government, right? So it's easy to get to them to get the school even if they don't get the study in international school again, ladies and gentlemen. Even if they can't get continue their school, maybe in the our side is okay, ladies and gentlemen. Because why? Because this is the one of the responsibility of your father, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because the children enjoy the money from their father, so that why is the consequence of the corruptor, because it's not only in the individual but their family, ladies and gentlemen. And the second, the politician who don't do this corruption will be think twice and thrice to do that, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because based on the consequence that I've told you before, that they will think twice or thrice to do the corruption, because by this punishment, every single politician are already know how suffer they are, and it's not make your only get the suffer, but also your family that is important for you, right? Because you know that the family is so important and you love. That's why the effectivity is happening in the our side, and we proud to be CG.